What's up, lovely people? So today in our particular video we are going to see how to do formatting for our matrix chart. So in our previous video we have seen that how to make a matrix chart in Power BI. So let's understand how to do formatting stuff for the matrix chart. So for doing the formatting, you just have to go to the format pane under the visualization. I have already gone to this. So you can see there are various windows are available over here, or various fields you can say are available over here. So in the general field you can change the position and adjust the height and width of the particular matrix chart. After that, in styling you can change the style of our particular matrix chart. So let's say I would like to make it to minimal or bold header. So for making it to bold header, you can see the headers are changing it to bold one. After that, I'll make it to default only. So after that, if you go to the grid, you can add the grid lines over here. So let's say I would like to add the vertical grid lines, and after that I would like to change the vertical grid lines color, and let's say make it to orange and increase the thickness, and you can see the changes are taking place over here. So same as like the vertical grid lines, we can also add the horizontal grid lines, and we can also change the horizontal grid lines color. And same as we have done for the vertical grid lines, we can do the same stuff for the horizontal grid lines as well. And after that, the row padding is also here, so this will increase the row sizes. You can see over here the row sizes are increasing over here. And after that, we can also change the text size over here. We can also increase the text size. So let's say I would like to make it to 13 point, and you can see the text size are changing over here. So this is all about like styling and the grid lines about the matrix chart. After that, if you want to change the column headers, then just go to this one, and if you want to change the font color of our column header, then we can change our font color of our column header. Let's make it to this color, and you can see the column header colors are going to be changed, and we can also adjust the background color. So let's say make it to gray one, and you can see over here the changes are taking place as we are making up over here. After that, if you want to change the bottom line, like for by default it is bottom only, but we can change it up to top only, left only, right only, top plus bottom, left plus right, and we can also give it a frame. So if we are giving it a frame, so you can see the lines are taking as a frame over here. So you can see over here the outline is taking place here. So after that, we can also increase the column header sizes, like we have already increased the text sizes, and we can also increase the column header text size. So we can increase it up to, let's say I would like to make it to 14, and you can see the changes are taking place. And we can also do the alignment stem, and let's take it to center, and you can see the changes are taking place. So just like this, there are various formatting available here, like row formatting is also available over here. Like same as column header, the row formatting is also available here. Like we can change the font color, background color, the outline we can do it for it, the font family we can change it, the alignment we can do it. So let's say I would like to make it to center, and you can see the alignment is taking place over here. After that, if we go to the downwards, we can have a values formatting as well. So the values formatting for these rows, like the customer ID, quantity and unit price, these rows are containing the values over here. So we can also change the font color. Let's say I would like to make it to yellow one, and you can see the changes are taking place, but we do not want that. It's not looking good, so we'll just make it to black, and it's look nice now. We can also change the values background color. We can also change the alternate font color. The alternate font colors are this one, the alternate row. So I'm going to select. So these are the alternate rows. We can also change their font color, and we can also change their background color, just like the same that we have done right now. On other formatting is also available, like the font family and the text size. We can also increase the text size. So this is all about the formatting stuff that we can do with our matrix chart. So thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care, and bye bye.